Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Shopify Payments affiliate targeting for US retailers. Beginner guide step by. To activate Shopify Payments affiliate targeting for US retailers, first, log into your Shopify admin account. Navigate to the settings option found at the bottom left corner of the dashboard. In the settings menu, select Payments. Scroll down to the Shopify Payments section. If you have not set up Shopify Payments, you will need to do so first. Click on Complete Account Setup to begin the process. Follow the prompts to enter your business information and bank account details. Once Shopify Payments is set up, return to the Payments section. Look for the Affiliate Marketing option within the Shopify Payments settings. Click on Manage Affiliate Targeting. You will see options to enable or disable affiliate targeting. Toggle the switch to enable affiliate targeting for your store. Next, review the geographic targeting settings. Ensure the United States is selected as your target market for affiliate marketing. You also have the option to add additional locations, if applicable. Once your target regions are set, click on Save to apply the changes. Your affiliate targeting for US retailers is now activated. To ensure everything is functioning correctly, visit the Shopify Help Center for additional resources. Monitor your affiliate marketing performance over time to optimize your campaigns. Now you're ready to leverage Shopify Payments affiliate targeting effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.